prepared to manage the examinations. We do not anticipate any serious challenges. We have got adequate security personnel who have been deployed by the county police commander in all these examination centers. We have sourced for adequate transport, and we are happy. I'm happy to note that the county government has come in to supplement what we have as national government, and we are also going to use a number of school buses to assist in transportation of both personnel and examination materials from the various containers to the examination centers. There has been fear that probably certain schools may not have examinations being undertaken in their respective centers. I want to say that we have made adequate security arrangements to ensure that all the schools will undertake examination in their respective centers. Adequate security arrangement has been made, and we have got formed up units in those far-flung areas, particularly those areas bordering Turkana and Elgeyo-Marakwet. That is anti-stock theft unit, the GSU, and who are going to supplement or complement the securities officers who have been deployed to school by undertaking daily patrols in those particular areas to ensure that we do not have interruption during the examinations. So in general, I want to say that as a county, we are adequately prepared, and we want to really ask everybody concerned to be cooperative. We want to ask the center managers, those are the head teachers and the principals, to be to hold high integrity during the examinations, so that we don't have cases of cheating. But I want to also assure you that we are approaching these examinations as government approach, and we will have officers, starting with myself and the sub-county deputy county commissioners,